Welcome back. To create a new path document, click on Path, click OK, and wait for some seconds. Now, this is the Solidworks default user interface, and as you can see, we have a bunch of buttons all over our screen. Right now, we are going to discuss the individual sections in our Solidworks interface, one after the other. On your top left corner, we have the menu bar. And beside the menu bar, you have the quick access toolbar. From your menu bar, you can access a bunch of tools. For example, if you come to the File drop-down menu on your menu bar, you can open a new document, you can open a part, an existing part, you can make a drawing from part, you can make an assembly from part, and lots more. But we are not going to be discussing this in details right now. We'll do that in future lessons. Also, from your quick access toolbar, you can do a couple of things such as open a new document and open an existing document and save your document. Over here, we have the SolidWorks search. From here, you can search a couple of things. We'll discuss that in future lessons. This is your command manager. And from your command manager, there are a couple of tabs. We have the features tab, we have the sketch tab, we have the world we have the evaluate, and you notice that we have different bunch of tools in these tabs. For example, if you're editing a sketch, you work with the sketch tab. If you're working with Wordments, you work with the Wordment part. Notice that there are some grayed out icons on your command manager. For instance, the offset entities here is grayed out. This is because we don't have any entities on the drawing window to offset. Over here, we have the Feature Manager Design 3. This is where we are going to be building each individual building block of our part, one after the other. We also have some tabs in our Feature Manager Design 3, such as the Property Manager, the Configuration Manager, the Dimension Expert, and lots more. We are going to be discussing the Feature Manager Design 3 in details in our future lessons. Here is your graphics area, and this is a 3D space where we can create our parts, create our assemblies and our drawings. At the top of the graphics area, we have the heads up toolbar, which contains some important tools that are going to be very handy when you're working on drawings, parts, and assemblies. On your right hand side, we have the task pan. On your task pan, we also have important tools such as the design library, the appearance and scenes, and the view palette. Right below the graphics area, we have the status bar, which displays some useful information about what we are doing. So as you can see right now, it's showing editing path mode. If we create a new sketch right now, we change to editing sketch mode. So it's telling us some useful information about what we are doing. As you can see, the mouse position is currently showing on our status bar right now. There are other bunch of information that you can get from your status bar, which we will discuss in our future lessons. So over here, you have a couple of tabs: the model tab, the 3D views, and the motion study tab. In SolidWorks Essential Training, we will not be discussing the 3D views and the motion study.